Live the coastal lifestyle in this exceptional two-story condo recently renovated and refined to immaculate condition. Located on the North and Gold Coast, just steps to the ocean and just minutes to premier shopping and restaurants. This home offers the very best in features and finishes. Gorgeous hardwood floors, crown molding, totally remodeled luxe kitchen, West granite tops, custom cabinets and stainless appliances. Spacious open bedrooms and stylish updated bathrooms complete with select plumbing, lighting fixtures and quality window treatments. Spectacular rooftop deck, west ocean views and spacious deck courtyard, great for entertaining. Professionally landscaped in low maintenance. Ample storage, off-street parking and attached garage. This property is a perfect vacation getaway or turnkey year-round home.